everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we are covering round 1 technical questions which were asked, and honestly the interviewer didn't ask much questions, and the interview was around half an hour, and this is for experienced person. So let's see the questions. Before that, I would like to tell those who have not seen my previous video. So this was round 1. Round 2 was the assignment given to me, and round 3 was the discussion on that assignment. So round 2 assignment I have already shared in my previous video. If you want to check that out, do check that video. Also, I'm working on providing the solution. I already have that in repo, but it's not properly there because of lack of time. I didn't work much on it, and I provided that only to them. But for you, I'm trying to make it make the most of it working, and I'll share the links for sure soon in my next video. Till then, we'll see round 1 technical questions. So yeah, let's go. So first question was, if a user put any request or request your application, and your application is deployed on EKS server, so how the traffic will flow. So he was expecting that my answer should cover about the DNS service, how the DNS will get resolved. Then at backend, if there is an API gateway, how there the request will get resolved. Then when the API gateway moves forward, if there are like a load balancer, so how from load balancer my request will go to target groups, then how from there it will go to my particular EKS server, and inside the EKS server how the communication will happen through ingress, or how it will be. So that all expect he wanted me to cover. Second was command to copy file from one location to another, so that metadata or properties of file remain intact. So I've seen that there is a command. See, we'll of course use copy command, but with some variation like hyphen a or something. You can comment down this answer if you know this. And how to add user without using commands to any server, so that they can access that server. So if the user, we have to give the permission to the user to access the server, so without using any command, what will be the steps. Next question was, have you configured certificate for any application, like when we configured SSL certificates, and if yes, how have you done it, then how have you configured the certificate, so that you can tell. Then how traffic, so if you are using for the certificate, if you are using any service of cloud, or you are using public, but for in organizations mostly we use like trusted, from where we can use certificate. So that flow you should know if you answer yes. Next question was how traffic flows from ingress to backend server, how it is decided traffic will have to go to particular prod. So how the in ingress, how load balancing, how reverse proxy, all this mixture of all these terms, how you'll make your answer and deliver it, that you can prepare. The next was, have you done any certification in Terraform? If you have to move to your project to Terraform from scratch, what will be your approach? Okay, so how you will decide the logins, the how, where your TF state file will be kept, how much security will be provided, then what all infrastructure is already there that we need to import, what all infrastructure that is going to be created, how we are going to use, like that there should be a modular approach to it, there should be reusable scripts to it, so you have to include everything in that. Then next question, have you worked on scripting and what scripts have you worked on? Okay. Then last was difference between IAM user and IAM roles. So these were the questions that were asked to me, and as I've already told you that next round was an assignment given to me, so that you can check in the video. Basically, I want you to try the answers of these questions and feel free to comment those answers in the comment section, so that everybody who's viewing it, it becomes a good practice to check other answers as well, and we can make our answers more perfect by checking on each other's answer. So please comment down, that will be very helpful. And yeah, that's all. So that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.